Today we are gonna fix Spotify server error 502 problem. Let's start. The first solution is clearing Spotify's cache files and close extensions. To do this, we open our browser. After opening our browser, we click on the three dots at the top right and then open settings. After opening settings, click on privacy and security from the left. After that, click on third-party cookies and then see all site data and permissions. In the search bar, search for Spotify. After searching for it, click on the trash icon and then click on delete. After deleting the cache files, we need to log back into our account. We have cleared the cache files. Now, we click on extensions from the left and then close our extensions. We do this because our extensions might be interfering with Spotify. We closed our extensions. Now, you can check if the problem is solved or not. Also, don't forget to like the video. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to the second solution. The second solution is changing DNS. To do this, we come to the search section and search for control panel. After doing that, we click on View Network Status and Tasks, and then click on our connection. After clicking on it, we open Properties. In the Items list, we select IPv4 and then open Properties again. Here, we need to select the second option for DNS. After doing that, we set preferred DNS server to 8888 and alternate DNS server to 8844. This DNS belongs to Google and it is completely safe to use. To save the changes, we click on OK. We have changed our DNS. Now, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem persists, we will move on to the third solution. The third solution is changing browser. If our browser causing issues, changing it will solve the problem. As an alternative to Chrome, you can use Brave, Opera, or Firefox. After changing your browser, you can check whether the problem is solved or not. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.